Welcome to Fee Navigator. Today, we're going to review the Plans tab. If you haven't watched the pricing, commissions, and proposals videos, we highly recommend you do so before starting this tutorial. Start by clicking Plans under the Admin tab. We already have our pricing, commissions, and proposals set up in Fee Navigator systems. Refer back to those tutorials for reference at any time. Just like buying a car, you need to choose the make, the model, and the color before finalizing the deal. So we need to choose the pricing type, the Schedule A type, and the proposal type to finalize your plan, which will pre-populate when you analyze a statement. For a deeper look, let's add a new plan together now. Click the red plus button next to Plans. First, name the plan. Then, choose the pricing type you would prefer. You'll see all the plans you have set up in your pricing tab populated here. Similarly, when you click Commissions and Proposals, you'll see the commissions and proposals you previously added, which helps you complete your plan. If you have a proposal for a specific industry, choose the MCC code. The onboarding URL is not required to proceed at this time. That will be coming at a later date. Upload your own interchange conversion factors is not available at this time, but it will be soon, and we'll use our defaults. At the very bottom, check the boxes to include whether this plan should provide interchange optimization, whether you want this plan to be available to your team, and if this should become the default plan for your team members. Click Save Plan, and you're all done. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and follow for more tutorials.